Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. As was promised, I am here with the new video on the local installation of this newly released Tulu 3 model from LNAI. Just yesterday, last night, we checked out their 405 billion model, which performed really well on various benchmarks. We also did the testing around math, coding, scenario, situation, language, and various other benchmarks. If you are interested, you can search the video on the channel and you should be able to find not only the latest video but also the coverage of this whole family of model from the onset. In this video, as I said, I'm going to install this Tulu 3 locally and then we will test it out as how it works. They have released this model not only in 8 billion but also in 70 billion and 405 billion. The good thing about this model is that not only it follows the instructions quite closely, but also all the code, all the training data, all the recipes which has been designed for this model have been open sourced. It is Apache 2 license, and if you're looking for a general purpose model which excels especially in reasoning and human conversational AI, then this might be a good choice. This model has been trained on a mix of publicly available synthetic and human created dataset. Primarily it is English, but we saw yesterday with 405 that it is not that bad in multilingual. Also, uh, some of the models are Llama 3.1 community license, which is still quite broad, not as good as Apache 2, but so make sure that whatever model you are selecting and if you're looking to put it in production, you are aware of its licensing. Now, if you look at the 8 billion model in this family, you would see that there are two versions. One is DPO, the other one is SFT. SFT is supervised fine tuning, which in simple words mean that they have given it a labeled dataset to further fine tune it from the base model. And then this DPO model, which stands for direct preference optimization, has been further fine tuned from that SFT model on human alignment dataset. Also, this model has got 2048 maximum sequence length or context window, and its batch size was around 32. So that's a quick introduction of this model. If you still have any questions around the architecture and stuff like that, please feel free to ask it in the comments or watch my other 405 video where I have gone into way more detail. So let's get started and install it on our local system. Let me introduce you to Mast Compute, who have sponsored the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I am also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. First up, let's create a Conda virtual environment and then we will install all the prerequisites. While that happens, let me introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's go back to the terminal. It should be done any second, and that's done. Next, we install all the prerequisites, which primarily include torch and transformers. Make sure you are going with the recent version. And now let me launch my Jupyter notebook. Okay, now let's download the model and we are going with the DPO. If you want to also check out SFT, you can just replace this DPO with SFT. And the model is being downloaded. There are 4 shards of it, which is a standard now for around 7 to 8 billion parameter size model. Okay, so the model is now loaded onto our GPU. Let's do some inference here. And I'm using the standard format from transformers. So first question I'm asking it, what is the smallest country in the world? And then there is a system prompt. We are passing through pipeline to generate the output. We are decoding it back with the tokenizer and then we are displaying it. And there you go, a concise and specific response. And this is what characteristic you would see in these Tulu models that they are very concise and to the point. So it has given the answer perfectly well, that Vatican City, and then bit of an information around it, around its area, and then its significance around religious importance. Great stuff. Okay, let's try out another one. So in this one, I'm asking it to correct a sentence for grammatical errors. So I just gave it this sentence. Let's see how it goes about it. While it runs, it was very quick. It has given me the response. They're coming to the store tomorrow. Don't forget. Which is quite correct, I would say. Okay, next up, let's try out another one. This is another use case which I often see in real world, where I'm asking you to rewrite the paragraph in a formal tone. That, hey guys, just wanted to let you know that the meeting and that stuff. Let's check the VRAM consumption now. It is consuming close to 16 GB of VRAM, which I believe for a 8 billion model is pretty decent. Okay, and then look here. Wow, dear team, I wish to inform you that the previously scheduled meeting has rescheduled to this. Please adjust this and best regards. So, very nicely done. Next up, I'm asking you to translate the following text from English to Chinese simplified. That quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So let's check it out. There you go. So if you're a Chinese speaker, please confirm if it looks right. Google Translate says it is, but I would really need your help. Okay, for the next one, I'm asking it generate a list of 10 possible names for a new eco-friendly water bottle brand. Let's see what it comes up with. There you go. So it does the brainstorming quite nicely. Eco Sip, Green Gulp, Terra Tumbler, Eco Quench. Wow. Pure Petal, Earth Sipper, Bio Bottle. Very nice. Next up, I'm asking it come up with a 5 unique ideas for a social media campaign to promote a local art festival. Let's see how it goes. And there you go. So it is talking about art unlock, discover your local masterpiece. It has given us the objective and campaign detail, hashtag, content, this and this. And then artist in focus, again, very fine with all the proper formatting. Art around town, art festivities, and if you read through it, not only the ideas are quite meaningful, they are not just some mumbo jumbo of words, but properly written stuff. Like, for example, event tie in, create a scavenger hunt around the town, leading participants to various art pieces, culminating in a prize if they attend the festival. And then all 5 look really cool to me. Good stuff, very high quality. Okay, and this is just an 8 billion model, remember that. Okay, next up, I'm asking it what are the main differences between a hypothesis and a theory in scientific reason. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so now I am giving it another situational question, that I'm a 50-year-old retired librarian recently relocated to France. I live in a cozy apartment above a charming bakery. Every morning, the handsome 35-year-old baker, Pierre, brings me a freshly baked croissant and strikes up the conversation. His warm smile and kind eyes make my heart skip a beat. I try to brush off as a harmless crush, but the truth is, I have been feeling a spark of attraction that I haven't experienced in years. And then she's describing Pierre, and then it leaves me all fluttery and distracted, but I am hesitant to act to being a trophy girlfriend. Moreover, Pierre's mother, the baker's owner, seems disapproving of our budding friendship. As I find myself looking forward to Pierre's daily visits more and more, I am torn between indulging my desires and maintaining a safe platonic distance. What should I do? And then look at the response of the model. Model says it sounds like you are going through a complex and emotionally charged situation. Reflect on your feeling, consider his perspective, communicate openly, evaluate the relationship. Very fine. Remember, it's important to approach this situation with sensitivity. Very fine. Okay, next up, let's do some more translation in different languages, including Arabic, Hindi, Chinese, Swahili, Persian, Japanese, German, Indonesian, and Urdu. There you go. And of course, as usual, I would need your help. Arabic looks good, and then Chinese also looks good. Farsi, I'm not sure. I think it looks good. Please confirm about Japanese. German fine. Indonesian is good. Urdu is also good. Yep, Urdu looks good. Random language, it selected Korean. So I just wanted to test what exactly is there in its data set. So Korean is quite heavy. That's nice. Beautiful. So that is done. Let's do a math one. So I'm asking it to solve this differential equation. Let's see how it goes with math. And there you go. So it has gone step by step, which is really necessary for math ones. Step 1 is to find this equation. Step 3, 4. Amazing stuff. Yes, that's spot on. Real good stuff. Okay, let's try out a coding one. For the coding one, I'm asking it to convert this Java code into Python. And it has given us the response. Let's check it out. Yeah, beautiful. That is perfect. And then it has given us a little synopsis of the code too. Very nice. Okay, let's try out another one. So in this one, I'm asking it to do the code repair to fix the issue in this C++ code snippet. Shouldn't take too long. And there you go. So if I quickly go through that, this is where it has fixed it, and it has also told us what the issue was, which is again totally correct. Amazing. Really amazing stuff. So look, as usual, just like we saw in that 405 billion one, this model in 8 billion with DPO is also quite powerful, I would say, and very specific and quality oriented. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.